I think Andreas known him since he was at Brentford when I actually appointed him there, together with Brentford and the other guys there. And then we stayed in contact over the years, and I think he offers a lot to the coaching team. So we have 3 assistant coaches, him, Matt Wells, and Josh, and all 3 bring different things to the table. The big responsibility for Andreas is obviously set pieces, but also culture, but also he got a different approach, which I think is important in a group, to ask different questions, sometimes extremely annoying, and put me a little bit on the spot, but that's good. We need that. I need that. But obviously on the set pieces, you can see, I think we have a very good foundation to stand on. We can get better, but defensively look strong, offensively look strong. So a big credit to him, but also massive credit to Sean, our analyst, but also to the players that really bought into it.